Believe me when I say that the oversharing can be a very dangerous habit, and that can lead you towards the major heartbreaks. And people who are like mature enough to understand that, and who have already gone through uh, any heartbreaks like this, in which they give their vulnerabilities to someone, when they share their uh, their deep secrets, their painful moments, or the things that they should kept with them, they have shared with anyone else, then they like have to pay the consequences, because people used them against them. सो बिलीव मी ऑन दिस, जब मैं कहती हूँ कि आपकी जो जो बातें हैं, आपके जो भी आपके ख़यालात हैं, जो आपके थॉट्स हैं, जो आपके डार्क मोमेंट्स हैं, जो आपके वीक मोमेंट्स हैं, जो आपकी कमज़ोरियाँ हैं, जो आपकी वल्नरेबिलिटीज़ हैं, अगर वो आप किसी से शेयर करेंगे, तो आई कैन बेट ऑन दैट कि इन एनी डे, इन एनी मोमेंट, like any random day in your life, the person gonna used that material against you. So please